My edges used to look like this, but now it looks like this, and I'll be sharing with you what worked for my edges.
Alright guys, today I'm making one of the most effective hair growth oils you can do at home. A simple onion infused oil. If your edges are thinning, your hair is shedding too much, or you want faster growth, this is for you. I'm using a mix of red onion, white onion, and the light brown one. They all have slightly different nutrients, and combining them makes the oil even more powerful. All peeled and clean just like this. Now I'm slicing the onion into smaller pieces. The smaller onions are rich in sulfur, encourages thicker growth, reduces shedding, and helps revive weak or thin edges. They also contain antioxidants that help with scalp health, so this is a full package. I placed my pot on fire and added my oil. You can use any lightweight oil you prefer, olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, anything you have at home works. Once the oil warmed up a bit, I added all the sliced onions and then I let it fry slowly on low heat. The goal is to infuse, not burn, so just let it fry for a bit until the onion turns golden brown. This is when the magic happens. All the sulfur, vitamins, and minerals from the onions are released into the oil. When everything looked ready, I turned off the fire and allowed it to cool down properly. Don't ever strain hot oil. After it's cooled, I strained it using mesh strainer to separate the oil from the fried onions. Look out that rich color. That is pure nutrient-packed onion goodness. Next, I poured the infused oil into my small bottle. This makes it easy to use and store. The DIY onion oil is so simple and so effective. Use it consistently and you will see a difference. If you try it, come back and let me know how it works for your hair.